I'm super pumped to sell this lovely home in the beautiful town of Valrico. Being built in 1969, it has a lot of charm, but with some modern updates like new flooring, new appliances, and fully renovated bathrooms. You're gonna love it. Let's check it out. I'm here today at 2015 Kiser Drive. This home is perfectly nestled on a huge corner lot on a private little street where it really feels like home. As you walk in the beautifully landscaped house, you'll notice a big front living room that can be used for many different ways to really enjoy the space. Attached to the flex room is a formal dining space for all your dining needs. As you walk past the front room, you'll be taken into a true open floor plan that features the living room, kitchen, and what we locals like to call a Florida room. So many options here to entertain and enjoy. You might also notice the brand new appliances and ceramic tile wood-like flooring throughout the house. As you go down the hall, you will have the 2 guest bedrooms that share a fully renovated bathroom. Awesome, right? At the end of the hall, you will have the master bedroom with new carpeting and again, a fully renovated bathroom. One of my favorite things about this house is the huge green backyard that also has a screened-in lanai. Literally, my mind is going crazy with all the different ways to enjoy this yard. I also want to mention that both the AC and the roof has been replaced in the last few years. A charming 1969 house with a ton of modern updates. It's a perfect blend for you. So call me today, Mark Raumaker, the real estate ninja with the Home Squad brokered by eXp Realty. Good seeing you guys.